and Craft channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a fish flicker. See, this is a fish flicker and it flies like this. Okay, let's start. For doing this you need a square paper. Fold it into a triangle like this and fold it into on the triangle. See, like this. Just till here. Now unfold it. Fold this point till here. See, just like this, and unfold it. Now fold this side till this side. See, like this. See, like this, and unfold it. Unfold this side till this. Now make a fold. See, now you need to fold it under. See, like this. You need to fold it under side, and this side. See, this one should meet this one. See, it should just align like this. See, it should come like this, and you need to just fold it so this both should align. See, like this. And do the same with this side. Fold it under. See, like this, and make a fold. See, these both should align, and see, like this. Now we need to just fold it. See, like this, and again fold it till here. See, like this. Now we need to fold this side till here. See, like this. Like this, and turn it over and fold this point till here. See, like this, just like this. So it should come like this, and turn this back side. See, like this. Now turn it over. See, now you need to fold this point till here. See, like this, and fold it. Make a fold, and you need to make it under it, turn it under it, and now our fish flicker is ready. See, you need to catch it like this, and you need to just do it like this. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.